Meaning of diaphragm.
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 Diaphragm. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle located below the lungs separating the thoracic and abdominal cavities. Its main function is to assist with breathing by contracting and relaxing to allow air in and out of the lungs. In addition, it helps regulate pressure in the abdominal cavity during activities such as coughing, sneezing, and defecation. Dysfunction or weakness of the diaphragm can cause breathing difficulties, acid reflux, and other digestive issues. Strengthening exercises, medication, and surgery are among the treatments available for diaphragm disorders.